Hi friend, how are you? Welcome to Shishmonis Academy. Today we learn English alphabet. Let's start. A for apple. B for bear. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. Z for giraffe. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for owl. P for penguin. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yarn. Z for zebra. Thanks for watching my video.